Recently, I started flying my drone again, but sadly it's developed a fault. Well, of course. This has made me think about getting a replacement. And I noticed people have started talking about a new drone from DJI. It's a Avata 360. It's just rumours, but it's interesting all the same. I didn't pay a great deal of attention because money's just really tight. But when I saw the price, I thought, that's something else. It's reported to be about $489 for the drone and about $680 for the combo. That's pretty crazy for a 360 drone, especially when you consider the competition. When I started with 360 cameras, they all looked like golf balls, but the quality was really, really low and editing was terrible. Tech's really come on, and it's rumoured that the Avata 360 will record in 8K and up to 60 FPS. That's pretty astonishing. The leaks are suggesting it's got omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Of course, it's going to have the latest 04 Plus video transmission system. It's going to need it with that 8K resolution, and the rumours are that it's even got the 1-inch sensors in it. The frame's got some integrated prop guards. It's a kind of Cinewhoop FPV style drone. But the camera rotates so that there's a front facing and a full 360 degree mode on it. That's pretty amazing. I mean, it's entry level pricing, really, but seems like real premium features. I expect most of the leaks to be accurate in terms of the spec, but the price just doesn't seem right. You can check out my other videos in this short kind of gear series over here.